Just dropped Shant at the school bus, and now time to take care of Lulu. Dog hair is everywhere, and I gotta do something about it. I know I stopped that beat mid-hit, so let's keep that going. Before I take Lulu to the pet grooming appointment, I gotta make sure I water my newly planted parsley, 3 of them right over here, and everything else right in the front. Wait, good girl, you're such a good girl. Come on, you ready to get a brush out? Pretty flowers. Good girl. Good girl. I never knew there was Chihuahua food. I wonder how Chihuahuas taste. I think she would like it though, but I don't want her to choke. You guys give your dogs antlers? Rabbit roll sausage. Try to stay away from rawhide. And we are done. Done. You had a rough day, Lulu? Was it tough getting your hair done?